Dem just catch one man wey extort one lady of 7 million naira. Hey, see wetin people dey do. I get Toro Kazim wey talk say im be graduate of Fountain University. See as im start dis business, im dey do am like relationship. Im go come meet you say, oh, I like you, I love you. If you go form mugu, na there be your own wahala. Na there im meet dis girl, im dey claim her as girl. The girl sef, there na lesbian she be. Im come tell am say im go pay dis girl 280k for dis girl to be her girlfriend. Na there dis girl sef come go form mumu. Person talk say im go pay you to date, you no even reason am. You no even think am, you sef you come go give. Na there dis guy come start to dey blackmail dis girl, dey use her nude pictures start to dey blackmail her. My people abeg, make una follow me see.
I met Gloria on Instagram on her birthday. I chatted her on Instagram. I noticed most of their school handle used to post each student birthday. Each student birthday on their birthday, they used to post their pictures. From the look of that girl, like she's not like maybe someone that is rich. She has money or something like that. So, and then through that, I messaged her on Instagram immediately. So we started talking from there. So after that, I introduced something to the Gloria that, please, can you just be my girlfriend? A girl-to-girl dating. That can you just be? I acted like a girl, so I asked the girl, can we just be dating a normal friend, normal girl-to-girl? And she said yes. And I promised her to pay her 280,000 for us to be dating. So after that, she sent a note to me immediately. So I changed the whole matter immediately. Immediately she sent a note to me. So from there, I started collecting money from her. I collected 50,000 like 4 times a day from the girl, ever since 40 days from now. So she used to send it to OPay. So from there, I would just go and collect the money and save the money. The total sum of the money was 7 million plus. The amount I have in mind of in collecting from that girl was maybe like 600k or 800. But when I collected that money, I still requested for more, and then that's when I just started collecting more from her. Police traced me to Ibadan on 25th. That was where I got arrested by the police, and they brought me here on that same 25th.
You see as God don take catch dis man. Na you want relationship, na you talk say you want date. Na you still come dey blackmail person. Abeg wetin come be the essence? As you know say you no ready. When you know say na 419 you want, you for just face am. No be say you go come go dey find trouble for people wey be say, and you see the girl, you talk say as you see the girl, you know say she get money. So why you no come reason and say dis girl wey get money na so she go get influence? You no reason that thing. And in fact, na greediness na carry dis guy reach dis place. If say you just tell the girl say, okay, abeg go give me 1 million, abi 2 million, wey the girl give you, case close, you go your way. But oju kokoro, you order 1 million, e no reach you. 2 million, e no reach you. I sure say na you push dis girl to the wall wey be say the girl come go report to police. Because if not, dis girl no go even carry dis matter go police, because she sef she know say her nude picture dey in place. She know say she sef her picture dey there, so she no go wan even do anything bad. But as e be, make me give una advice. All these blackmailers, make una no dey pay them. Because last they no go stop to dey ask for money. If you give them 500k today, tomorrow they go ask for another one. So best thing, you sef just post your nude picture in peace. Make the thing just trend. Make you collect the shame just because if you give them money, that money you go just dey send and they go every day. Now there this girl, if you say the thing don tire her, she come reason and say, wetin happen? Na there she come go involve police. Before we go see, na there police come trace. Hey! Nigerian police, una fit trace person. But if say na bandit, all this, una no go see one trace to trace them. But this one now, sharp, una don run catch the guy. But this guy say a whole 7 million. For this country, Nigeria, we don't hard die like this. Wetin you no even come, in fact, nothing to even show for the money. See, sometimes if your mama dey inside gbese, him go pay your mama. If your mama dey owe this one, him go pay. Abeg, who that one help? You pay gbese, wetin concern us? Because as I dey reason, this guy, that money don go, because this guy no go fit pay that money back. Una know all these kind of people, na lavish lifestyle na they go dey live. House, they no go stay, na inside hotel. 247 na they go dey live. So I don't know as Auntie Gloria want to get her 7 million naira back, because as it be like this money don't even go. But Nigerian police and this what's I call them? This strategy when I use to catch this guy, I hope say I will put myself for this place. I hope say na go use am sef catch other people and hope say this one sef e go make people wey dey do this kind thing una eye go clear. Una go see say now Nigerian police don ready because this kind thing e no make sense. But this girl sef she sef na wetin she find na she get. Because you sef if no be because of money, person promise you money as you sef be mumu. You never even collect the money, you don run send picture. Na so you mumu reach. Abi dey use juju on top of your matter because I never reason this kind thing reach. Person never give you the money at all cash, you never even pay half. You don't run snap, do video, send and give the person. Some people when they just move from bed to places as they burn them. One brain they come on, they go just wash and come on. Now think they misbehave like this. Because this one I just saying that they get foolishness. But anyways, I don't know if they want to judge this matter behind a court because this one where the boy they give advice. Nigerian police and the interviewers. And I will do bad thing, I will still when they give people advice. I don't know what with they let. They are now motivational speaking and they give us so I know they understand. My people beg, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come. Making a service now here. Yeah, what did happen inside this Nigeria all day? Anything when I feel about this whole matter was just here and now. Making a write down inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video. Them just arrest 3 suspected ritualists. This one they happen inside Port Harcourt. Now wow, in fact the way people they very desperate now to make money, I don't even understand. And then these guys and this they did within the age range of 20 to 25. I beg wait on they find. Which kind of money now one make so take on no feel wait hustle on a normal like this hustle. Now to go they do plumbing, carry calabash for her, be na mami water. They carry and put for her, say they go do. In fact, but as they catch it, they see human parts inside this calabash and other things. People beg, make na follow me.
Carry this kind thing from another.
Open gate here. Open gate.
By force.
Some people, instead of you to work, you don't go work. Now go on, no they work again. All this kind, they work, you don't cast. Now if you don't do like this work, forget them. Now broken, in fact, broken will kill you for there. You go broke, so that you go even die. But I just say that these guys, they don't even reason. But I bet which babala will go send you say, go daytime, go do ritual. Why not be so on a carry juju put for body? On a no say they go see on. Daytime on a go carry na juju put for head. Why not be say na be ogbanje? On a no say definitely person go if na they pass. No how person go see on na. On a go carry and say na they pass like say nobody go see on. Now they don't concern and I can't do pity face stand there. Like what I know a gamma lizard. Say maybe we pity on. Nobody go pity because now innocent souls now don't go keep they put inside this calabash. As now those are they desperate. What I know is now mama, they do the blood money. Now I can go carry people who say they don't even know anything. But if you just they go on our own just now go kill the person. How can I say I won't make this money I don't know the way they lead people into bad things now. It surprise me. Person go there, you don't get money. At least if na pay water won't go hustle. But they don't go think of their own how they go take drive car, buy beds, they form lavish lifestyle. Live that now they go just the reason. But in fact, I like as they arrest this person. I like as they catch them, but I hope say they don't go do jungle justice on top of them. Because some people don't gather now on a no river people, all these Port Harcourt people, their blood no they calm down. They figure that now begin beat them, big kill them. May they just hand them, carry be na EFCC or be na police, may they carry them, go give them. The necessary thing they're supposed to be the carrying. And me, I was surprised. Because if you do cast mostly, either the person go mad or something go happen. But then this one, they still stand there, nothing they do there. It means that the juju self now fake. The person just won't even play with their head. But thank God say they arrest them this one. Whoever they don't go keep, may they even do the investigation, may they bring out everything. Because this kind of way, good. Young boys like this, not just one day in a hustle. Now one day in hustle to make money. In fact, waiting na see, now I get so. My papa beg, I hear this one. I can't make her bring and come, make myself in her ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, what I just hear now, make you not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make you not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.